Hey, what's up guys? Felicia here. I just got a really small package with a big unboxing video for you guys today. This is all ordered from HP Airsoft, which is located in Canada. So Justin, he's the one who hooked me up with all this stuff. Like I said, this is a very big unboxing, just a really small box. So let's go ahead and get into it. So, this package, I ordered, it's 3 different orders all in one. And like I said, it came from Canada. Everything in here though, most of the stuff that's in here took time to be made. So, I actually placed this order a little over a month ago. It just, like I said, yeah, it all had to be made after the fact. It was the stuff I ordered is made to order. So let's go ahead and there's a lot of tape on this thing. We're gonna start here. So, there is, a lot of tape. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, so, let's just, Justin, if you're watching this video, nice job on the packaging. Alright, so, open it up. Well, I guess first thing is got a nice Geoff patch and HP Airsoft keychain, so shout out to him. Oh, and the striker patch. So yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you would know that I got a Aerie striker for Christmas. And this is basically just a giant upgrade box for it. So this right here is, the adjustable cheek pad. Very nice. Next up is the adjustable, this is the butt piece. This is the shoulder, or the cheek pad. So it'll be super cool. This here is the hand grip replacement piece. So inside here on the rifle it holds the 2 Allen keys that take apart most of the gun. And then I also have this cheek riser. Super cool. Next up would be bag of Geoff's .43 biodegradable BBs. These are super good quality BBs. And then I also got 3 of the Aerie Striker short mags. So that's awesome. What else is here? A bunch of Justin Miller business cards. My friend, I will be handing these out to everybody I know. Thank you very much. Alright, so the most expensive part of this order is this right here. So this right here, if you can see that right there, EDGI. This is, I got the EDGI upper receiver, or not upper receiver, the EDGI cylinder set, upgrade set for the Aries Striker, which is what I'm assuming is in this. Yep. So, also I got this is the Action Army hop up for the AS01 Striker. And then I got a new flash hider for the AS01 Striker. And then this, oh, this is sweet. This is the Aries, or it's the Amoeba M-Lock, I think it's CNC'd aluminum receiver, or rail. I got this so I could put my scope cam and selfie cam on my gun. So this is a monolithic rail, which is super, super cool. And then inside here, ooh, some of the stuff in here would be the Hop Up Omega tensioner nub, by Maple Leaf. Also the Decepticon 60-degree bucking. This is just a screw. Honestly, not really sure what this is for. Oh. Nope, don't know what that is. This right here is the left handle or straight pull bolt modification that was just released recently, so I had to get this. Just put those to the sides. This is the EDGI locking pin, which is super dope. And then this is the, I think it's the Gap. I think it's, yeah, GAP. This is the feeder that pulls the BBs out of the magazine and puts them into the hop-up unit. The stock one is a really cheap metal, so it can strip really easily. So this is an upgraded one of those. And what else is in here? So this right here is the most expensive part. Get this opened up for you. This is the EDGI cylinder. So it's a one-piece cylinder. Ooh. And it's got some custom engraving on it, thanks to Justin. If you guys can see that. This is by Felicia. And of course the EDGI Nemo. This is the Nemo kit. The Nemo cylinder set. So super dope unboxing. This is a very expensive unboxing. This piece right here is really, really heavy. So yeah, shout out to Justin for everything. Stand up guy. If you have any questions about any striker related parts, this right here is my current striker. He is the man to go to. He is an absolutely stand-up guy. If you have any questions, you can find him on Facebook, or you can hit up his website at hpairsoft.ca. If you have any questions at all, he is an awesome guy to work with. So guys, I will do a update video on my striker as soon as I get all these parts in. Till then, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.